Ever wondered what it would be like if AI robots handled all your software testing? Let me walk you through the ultimate agentic AI cycle for software automation testing, where each agent is a specialist and together they form a seamless, futuristic assembly line. First up, meet the Analyze agent. This AI dives into your user stories, breaking down requirements and making sense of what needs to be tested. It's like your project's detective finding every detail. Next, the baton passes to the Test Case Designer agent. This one maps out smart, detailed test cases, covering all possible scenarios. Think of it as the architect, drawing blueprints for every corner of your app. Then comes the Automation agent. This AI transforms those blueprints into automated test scripts, picking the right tools and frameworks for the job. It's the builder, turning plans into action. But wait, the scriptwriter agent steps in to polish things up, writing clean, efficient code that's easy to maintain. Now the executor agent takes over. This is the robot that actually runs your tests, simulating real user actions at lightning speed. Of course, things can go wrong, so the self-healer agent is always on standby. If a test fails due to a minor glitch, this agent diagnoses and fixes it on the fly, keeping everything on track. Once the tests are done, the reporter agent jumps in. Gathers results, highlights bugs, makes sense of all the data, so you know exactly what's working and what's not. Finally, the emailer agent wraps it all up, sending you a crisp summary straight to your inbox. From start to finish, this AI-powered cycle means faster releases, fewer bugs, way less stress. Imagine what you could build if the robots took care of the testing.